Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving deep into one of the most important luxury crossovers on the market, the 2026 Lexus NX 350. Now, the NX has always been a strong contender, but for this model year, Lexus has really doubled down on what matters most to buyers. Seamless technology, elevated efficiency, and a design language that feels both assertive and incredibly sophisticated. It's an update that refines the entire experience, transforming the compact NX into a truly mature and compelling luxury choice. This generation of the NX continues to ride on Lexus's excellent GAK platform, but the engineers have meticulously tuned the body structure, resulting in noticeably increased rigidity. What that means for you is better handling response and a quieter, more solid feeling inside the cabin, significantly enhancing overall safety and comfort. In terms of size, it's perfectly positioned. We're looking at a length of 183.5 inches, a width of 73.4 inches, and a height of about 66.1 inches. The wheelbase is 105.9 inches, providing a stable foundation, while the ground clearance sits at a useful 8.1 inches on the gas model. Visually, the front fascia is where the design language really shines. The iconic spindle grille is still present, but has been subtly reworked to feel less overpowering and more integrated, almost floating within the frame. You'll notice those razor-sharp LED headlights, which, on higher trims, feature Lexus's fantastic triple-beam LED technology. Along the side, pronounced body lines lead back to a beautifully sculpted rear end, dominated by the signature L-shaped LED light bar that stretches across the width of the car. The whole design is more than just pretty. Those cleverly placed air curtains and the aerodynamic spoiler contribute to a very respectable coefficient of drag, improving both stability and fuel economy. Stepping inside, the cabin is pure Lexus luxury, a philosophy they call Tazuna. The premium feel is immediate, with high-quality materials and a driver-focused layout. The star of the show is the technology. You now get a standard 9.8-inch touchscreen for the Lexus Interface infotainment system, but you'll want to spring for the available 14-inch HD display, which is sharp, fast, and finally eliminates that old trackpad system. Digital clusters are standard, offering clear, configurable driver data. Comfort is paramount, with generous front legroom at 41 inches and rear legroom at 36.1 inches, making it perfectly viable for adult passengers. And for cargo, you have 22.7 cubic feet behind the rear seats, expanding to a healthy 46.9 cubic feet when they're folded down, all wrapped up in a cabin that's incredibly quiet thanks to enhanced noise insulation. Under the hood, the NX 350, we are focusing on features a lively 2.4-liter turbocharged inline-4 engine that delivers 275 horsepower and 317 pound-feet of torque, channeled through an 8-speed automatic transmission to the standard all-wheel drive system. This setup gets you from 0 to 60 miles per hour in a quick 6.6 seconds while still managing an impressive EPA estimated 24 miles per gallon combined. If you prioritize efficiency, look at the NX 350h Hybrid, which uses a 2.5-liter engine and electric motors to produce 240 total horsepower and achieves a remarkable 39 miles per gallon combined in AWD form. The on-road behavior of all NX models is polished. The suspension, McPherson struts up front, and a double wishbone rear, is tuned for luxury comfort, gliding over bumps, while the available F-Sport handling trim adds an adaptive variable suspension for when you want a sportier edge. Braking is linear and confident, whether you're in the gas or the regenerative hybrid model. Lexus keeps things straightforward with trims like the well-equipped Premium, the feature-rich Luxury, and the visually aggressive F-Sport handling. Key options to look for include the triple-beam Matrix LED headlights, the panoramic view monitor 360-degree camera system, ventilated seats, and the sublime 17-speaker Mark Levinson audio system. Every model, crucially, comes standard with Lexus Safety System Plus 3.0, which includes advanced L2 ADAS features like lane tracing assist and risk avoidance emergency steer assist. Pricing starts in the mid-$40,000 range for the base NX, which is right in line with its premium European rivals. But the NX offers unparalleled standard technology and a reputation for reliability, making it a stellar value in the segment. Ultimately, the 2026 Lexus NX 350 is the full package. It stands out with a striking design, a cabin filled with genuinely useful next-generation technology, and a range of efficient yet powerful powertrains. It's practical, luxurious, and a genuinely engaging car to drive every day. What do you think of this new Lexus? Are you leaning towards the gas, the hybrid, or maybe even the plug-in? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this in-depth look, please hit that like button, subscribe for more luxury reviews, and we'll see you in the next video.